What is up guys, I'm Gabriel.meneses, your digital marketing coach, and today I'm teaching you how to reply to comments inside TikTok using videos. This is a huge feature of the platform and it's actually a unique one, so you need to take advantage of it and actually start building the relationship with your followers by answering with videos. So this is a great strategy. Make sure you stay until the end because I'm going to give you a few tips so you can take advantage of this the best you can. So like this video, subscribe, and let's get started. What is up guys, today I'm teaching you how to reply to comments with video inside TikTok. This is a huge feature because one, it lets you connect with your audience, and two, you can reuse the content inside your account. So this one is a win-win for everyone. So let's go to the post right here and let's pick the comment. So let's look for the comment. Let's see, does this impact quality of your image? So we click this comment right here and then we click the red camera and then we'll see the question on top. So you can answer this question for 16 seconds or 15 seconds the same way as a regular TikTok. So let's go and answer it. This tool doesn't affect your image and the quality will be just as new. Quick break here before we continue with the video. So make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel because I'm posting tips just like this one every single week. So you can take advantage and use it for your business or personal brand. So let's continue. So then we click the check mark and then we click next. And then you can see here that says reply to and the name of the person. And then we can post it as a regular TikTok. And then we'll see it inside our account right here. And also, if we go to the post, we'll see that we reply with a video right here. So we can see the reply here and then the person can see it and they can connect and respond. And it's super, super awesome because we're reusing this content right here. So go ahead and try it out. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I have a ton of free content just like this one inside the channel around digital marketing, TikTok, Instagram, online business. So make sure you take advantage of it and start applying it to your business or personal brand. So make sure to like this video, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.